Hello, friends. As a conclusion to the part for sets, now let's try to see what comes in paper one. Um, so in paper one, you find that they'll give you the universal set and then they'll shed certain set on the inside. Then they ask you to use the set build annotation for you to describe the shaded region. Um, or the opposite. Maybe they will give you the set notation and then they will tell you, can you shade the following? So that's what we are going to handle for today so that you can make conclusion to what we started. And then afterwards, I will introduce algebra so that, you see, algebra is very simple, but it's very, very important. You understand algebra, then even solving equations and other stuff will be easy for you. So now let's see what came on 2024 GCE. So they are saying we use the set notation to describe the shaded region. Now, we are interested in with the part that is shaded. That is our main area of interest. And then we are removing the part which is not shaded because we're interested with just this area that is shaded. The fact that we are removing A, so I'll say A complement, okay? Now, if you remove A, what is it that it's going to remain? Okay, so if we remove this part, we're going to remain with this guy here. We're also going to remain with this guy. We're going to remain with that guy. So what do you think is going to fall? Are we going to say union or intersection? Union, it could mean we are also combining what is outside. All right, if we were used to if we were to use union here, meaning that we are combining what is also outside, but the part we are looking for, it's just this part. So since we are not combining what is on the outside, then we are going to say intersection. Those are the key areas, I mean the key points that you can use to figure out which one to use. Are you going to say intersection or union? The fact that this area is not shaded, so I'm not going to use union. I'll use intersection. So I'll say intersection, open bracket, B. Now, what is it that we should follow? Is it union or intersection? Okay. If we say intersection, meaning that what we are interested in, it is just the intersection of B and C, meaning it will be this area here. And from our own here, we are looking at even this part as well as this part. So I'll use the union because I'm combining all this. So union C. So actually, that is how you do it. Very, very simple and straightforward. Okay. Then I'll go to 2021. 2021, I don't know whether it's GC, I'll just pick it randomly. Okay. So if you check nicely here, so we're looking at the set A, it is wall shaded. This part as well as this other part here. And if you identify this one nice, it's just the intersection set of B and C. So what are we going to do here? We're going to say A, okay? Now, what are we combining? Because we're including this part here, okay? We're including this part here. So I'll say union. B. Now, what is this part which is here? This part, it is the intersection of B and C. So I'll say intersection C. So I'll do this. That's all. Nothing big. That is what you do. Okay. So I'll come to 2020. Very interesting. You are only interested with this part, but everything you are removing. Okay. So what we are going to do is that I'm going to say A, okay, A complement. It's not there. Now, what is it that which is going to follow? If I say union, meaning that if I say union, just removing A, implying that I'm also even including this A, okay? Even the outside. So in this case, that's not my interest. My interest is just this part which is here. So I'll say intersection. Okay. Now, intersection what? The intersection of now what is this part here? This is just the intersection of Q intersection what? R. That is what you do. You are done. In fact, in the question itself, there is a P and not A. So that is what you do. Very simple. Very, very simple. So I could have written P complement intersection open bracket Q intersection R. So that is the answer.